Hey guys, Ed here, mobile weld specialist. We're here in our workshop. We're going to build a little frame and cart here. That's a simple design that you've probably done a million times or be requested from customers to build. So this old slab table is far from flat. You can really see in just this tube sitting on the table here that there's a huge gap in the center there. And you can use some inexpensive shims to shim it up and make it much flatter. Okay, so real quick, show you guys how we're using these. Simple setup. So again, without putting a straight edge on there or getting too excited, just by elevating it off the table, I've really eliminated a lot of fighting the flatness of the table, which I know my table isn't very flat. Then I would use a couple simple clamps, put some light tension on there, and then make sure that I can get the square in. So that's pretty good there. It's ready to tack. We're gonna go 2D or vertical, join them together. So it's definitely the part, trying to get it erect. Without having like a fixture or anything really to go off of, it just takes a lot of finessing it around and measuring and checking angles. We really need to go all around the frame and check the squareness and make sure that the frame isn't like tilted to one side or the other. So it's pretty square vertically now, but now the base of it is shifted out of square. So now we need to try to pull that in. So that there is pretty square now at the bottom. But now the top is raked. And then do the same thing at the top. So from this point, we'll go around and start strong tacking them to, keep the shape square as we can. And then go around, bounce around doing 1/2 inch to 1 inch pass welds to tie in all the corners together. And that'll be the main structure for the cart.